Hey guys, so I'll be teaching you guys how to install the Infinity Lace Locks. So it comes with 4 metal cylinders and 4 metal clips. And so this is how we do it. So as you can see, the laces are actually, the eglets are actually quite long. We will have to do some adjustments. You will have to cut it to a certain length. It will be around 0.8 cm to 1 cm. As you can see, is this short. So all you have to do is use the clip and just clip slightly above the eglets. The warning here is do not press too hard and bend it out of shape. That will destroy the clip. So please take care of your strength. So the first thing is you have to insert it through the hole, exit it, then you clip it. Don't clip it and put it into the hole. You have to put it into the hole and clip it first. So this part here, I'll be making some mistakes. As you can see, I inserted and I tried to pull it down, but I wasn't able to pull it because I did not push it. I did not squeeze the clips hard enough. So I made more minor adjustments, squeeze it harder, still not able to fit it in. And now we do, see here. So this is the final result, and the other side, do the same. Cut it to around 0.8 to 1 cm. Do measure before cutting. I'm not exactly sure how short you should be cutting it. So see, okay, this is perfect. So you clip the other side. Clip it in. And squeeze it through the hole. And there you go. Once you have both sides, just screw them together. And done. It's very strong. It will need a lot of strength to pull it out. So if there's actually a time where it comes off, you probably applied quite a bit of pressure and strength to pull it off. So yeah, hope this helps you.